Why am I smiling? Because I'm hearing children have so much fun, and the scream that I guess is one girl she lets out. It gets me smiling and laughing every time I hear it. So you can hear the fun, the fun that they're having, and it's kind of, I guess, similar a little to the early morning class that I used to have. So these sounds, nothing but pure joy. Somebody having a whole lot of fun, and I'm having a whole lot of fun listening to it. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh god. That is just so, I guess it's just another beautiful sound. And I've heard plenty of them. See, only a few people can enjoy stuff like that. And I'm not even a parent. But I love to hear the sound of joy. They have a great time, people, wherever the dude goes. As I said, no human will ever have it as good as David Gibbons, Mr. Gibbons, the African slave, the superior human being that will ever exist on this land. All glory and power to the planet, people. The planet to the land. My bad. Oh gosh. They're having a great time, as I am.